Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get straight into them. This week we have a couple of doodle sheets and these are Valentine's Day themed. This is 656 and 656 and 657 are the same sheet. This one is more of a red, like a brighter like pink and red, and then this one's more of a muted red. Then we also have 658 and 659, and this one has red tones, and then this one has more of purpley tones. So cute, but this one is more of like a love potion, love witch. And then this is more of a standard regular Valentine's Day doodle set. I think we have ones from last year too if you want to pick those up. If I remember, I'll put those in the comments down below what numbers those are. Then we have the color of the week. The color of the week is available from Wednesday through Sunday, and there is a buy all discount. There is 12 pages, and this is color 59, and it's a really pretty tealy, greenish, bluish color. So cute. Love that one. Then there is also a character this week, and it is Pikachu. So stinking cute. Love this. And then also there are scribblers. So these ones are playing a card game. The cards are white, which I thought was perfect for just like any card game. And they come in the normal 6 combos that scribblers come in. And this is number 27. Then we do have 2 foil bundles this week. I picked these specifically for kits that have come out in the past. I really think that this matte silver, first of all, goes with like so much, but I feel like I wanted it for either the dark arts, which I did have the green paired next to it, and then also the Wednesday kit. I ordered matte silver stuff from Planet Hannah, so I'm going to be putting one with at least the Wednesday kit, but this matte silver will go with so much. Do we have anything matte silver in the shop? I'll have to check. This is in the new confetti format. I'm bringing a lot of colors in the confetti because I feel like it goes with everything. It is, like I said, the matte silver, and it will match the matte silver in, like if you have the matte bronze matte silver, that's the same matte silver as this. So if you wanted something to kind of like make that last longer. Also, I'm pretty sure I have a matte silver and something mixed metal confetti coming out soon-ish, but this is just regular matte silver, which I don't know if we have any just basic ones in matte silver. I'll have to like look. And then also there is a sparkly green, and I think this would look really pretty with, I don't know where, I rearranged my office. I'm gonna have to do like an office tour because I think that this is like my end all be all office setup. But I think this would look really good with the St. Patrick's Day kit that came out, but also would look really, really pretty with this Pixie Grove kit with all the different greens in it. I think this would be stunning with that or any other kit that has any green, or if you have a rainbow kit that you're looking to have a green match. And again, this is a sparkly green in the confetti format. And then I'll go ahead and show you this. You can actually see this sparkle really beautifully in here. Ugh, it's so pretty. Let me know what you're going to pair this with in the comments down below. I feel like the matte silver, I'm like, you could put with so many things. But the sparkly green, let me know what you think in the comments down below. But I feel like you could actually put it with some of the kits this week, but both of the foil bundles. So the last thing before we get into kits is I do have a D-Stash bundle here. So this is just an example of what you could get. You might get the same thing, but you could also get different things. So this is a 5-piece new format foil bundle. So the new format is this kind of like layout with the 6 pages. That is new format. It's the only format in shop now. I could probably just change it to like foil bundle because there's nothing else in shop right now. All the old formats are out of shop, so it will be like an in-shop stock foil bundle. And this is going to be 5 of those. I think I've only ever done 10 in the past. I've never done a 5-piece. So this one, like I said, is an example of a combination you could get. It could be different foil colors, it could be different designs. It could be snow. It could be Harry Potter. It could be Y2K. It could be whatever. So this is Silver Birthday, a Lavender Hollow Birthday, Sparkly Hollow Candy, a like tropical gold, and then a candy Lavender Hollow. So that's just an example. Like I said, you might get the same thing, who knows, but you could also get something completely different. So that will be available, and there is a limited stock of those. So we will list those Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then let's get into the kits. There's some really cute ones this week, and I'm very excited. I think last week and this week I have 2 exclusive arts, and I think that I'm going to try and keep it like that for a while. Like, even if I have other art to release, I think I really want to try to do 3 or 4 kits a week, because I have so much exclusive art just like waiting to be shared. And y'all, I just like, I am so excited, and it's not even like for the ideas I have for the future. It's like what the artists have already given me, and they're so good. Ugh, and I have to fill the mystery reveal after this, and it's another one that I'm like, oh my God. Okay, first things first, we'll go through the non-exclusive first, and that is Teddy Bread, and this is so cute. I have this big dilemma if I want to use this for my father-in-law's birthday, because he really is into bread, or if I could, it's totally an anytime kit. I also think it gives me March vibes, but it gives me anytime vibes because it's food, and I love food. This one I think would look really pretty with the matte silver to bring out the more like neutral tones, because this isn't like a super warm kit. Like, some of the tones are warm, but like most of them are cool. Or you could do a matte bronze, you could do the mix of those, you could do a silver, you could do a gold, you could do like one of the ones from Hannah. Let me see if I can pull it out, because I feel like y'all would like the vibes of it. It's like the olive color, or one of the ones that are like that. But this kit is so pretty. and it's the week I'm living that I'm like unsure, which the week will have passed by the time that you see this, but we still don't have planned it, but I'm unsure. I think this is it. Olive, yeah. I think olive would be really pretty with it. And then there's the new one that came out. Olive isn't the new one. It's, oh yeah, this one, Pearl. Pearl will be really pretty with it as well if you want like a Plan of Hannah like match up. But I think you could do like any of the core. Even rose would be pretty if you want to bring out some of the other tones, because there is like pinky colors in here. But let's go ahead and give this one a little flip. So on the front here, you have this fashion option here, and they have like, it's kind of like you can't really tell, but if you look hard enough, it's like a blonde to like a light pink. Thought that was cute. And then this one I did do a little bit different than the fam option. So for the fam, I did just the regular red, but then for this one, I have like more of a like muted, like auburn kind of reddish brown color, which I thought was really pretty to match the kit. So you have the deco page, the page with the extra boxes, which up here I left it more like this is the cafe, and then this is more like baking. So from like behind the scenes almost. I love these colors. Like, this kit's being used. Also, we didn't notice till this was already printed that this one sheet has a different color. All reprints of it will have the right color, but we just didn't want to waste the paper because the sidebar was different. But pattern, and then you have the bottom washi. So pretty. And then you do have the extra box there, and the freebie is the additional skin tone options for that box, and that is the ultimate kit. All of the kits this week, as always, come in an ultimate and a mini. So there's the ultimate, there is the mini, and then there is also the doodle if you want to add it on, functional, label, ombre, and then you do have the fam option. So there is fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute. Love that one. And again, that is Teddy Bread. The next two are exclusive arts. The first one I'm going to show you is the art that is for Reagan's birthday, but I know a lot of y'all are going to be obsessed. Like, her last birthday was Frozen. That was one of the, like, a top selling kit. So this one is Trolls, and y'all, this is the cutest kit ever. And I'm like having a debate on if I want to use rainbow or something else. Let me know what you would use. Actually, let me pull out rainbow so you can see the vibes. Again, I rearranged everything and now I am very, very lost, but let me show you what rainbow looks like. This is just regular rainbow, but I bought rainbow in the Trolls and the banners to use. I'm thinking it's cute. And then maybe do like Sparkly Hollow everything else, or do I buy these in Sparkly Hollow and do Sparkly Hollow everything? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you do. Also, this is a sneaky peek of something I didn't design it because these are Hannah's icons, but I like made this sheet for her and she's going to be releasing this. And y'all, you should be ready because that's going to be a game changer sheet. So yeah, I put that with it because I was like, this is the first time I'm going to be using rainbow. So cute. Let me show you the freebie because it'll make more sense because you got to have Poppy in there. Poppy is a tall box. I think that'll be so cute on the sidebar. But I am just obsessed with this. I think it's so cute. You have the Troll Kingdom and all the different characters. You have the faux rainbow sparkle throughout. And then there isn't any, like, a lot of deco in this. It's a character-heavy kit. Whenever there's a character-heavy kit, that is just kind of eats up the deco allowance and then also just makes it more expensive to have commissioned. So I did music notes, so you can kind of sprinkle those on top throughout the kit, and they are in the like faux sparkly. I did that with another kit too. I think the Wednesday one, I had like little hand-drawn stars with one of the patterns overlaid just to try and give you a little bit more variety than just the characters, but obviously not going to have like pieces drawn just for the deco. That's just a little bit silly. So you have the characters here. This is Bennett's favorite. I don't remember what her name is. It Barb or something like that? I don't remember. So stinking cute. Bennett's gonna think this is so fun though. And the bottom washi is everything. And then you have the faux sparkle in there too. I think this just might be nice as like a rainbow explosion, but also maybe like the sparkly rainbow with a like sparkly hollow would be nice. I don't know. I'm struggling because I want this to be like perfect. I feel like April's always a fun month because it's like all birthdays. And then for Theo's, he's gonna have exclusive art, but it's like this where his art is not a birthday specific kit. It's not a birthday specific kit, but I feel like works for them for their birthdays. But that will be coming out in a couple of weeks because his birthday is also in April. So there's the mini kit, and then let me show you the add-ons. There is the Doodles, the Functional, the Ombre, the Label 2, which is the purple. So cute. And then there is also the extra boxes. So you have King Gristle, and I don't remember what her name is. I only remember King Gristle's name because Bennett was King Gristle for Halloween, which was the most bizarre thing, but also the funniest thing. And then also a cake box, which isn't in there, but whenever I released, I think it was the Frozen one, I like showed the box that I had for Reagan. Everyone really wanted a birthday box, so figured I'd throw that in the extra box section. So that is Trolls. And then lastly, we have something that I also don't know much about, and that is Wakanda Forever. And this is a Black Panther inspired kit. And I had to ask Nick, I was like, so all of this stuff, how do I put it together? What backgrounds go with what characters go with what characters are important, which characters are not so important? I really don't know. My artist who put this together for me, she like picked all of this stuff. So this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And it is so pretty. I love the colors of this. This is another one I think would look really, really pretty with the dark green that came out last week. Like that actually be a vibe. And I think that it would look really rich, and I am very into that. But I also think you could do the matte, hold on. I think you could do the matte silver. I think you could also do the sparkly green with this if you wanted to bring out the green or any sparkly color. But yeah, I think matte silver would look really pretty with this, or matte silver, or like a sparkly black would look really pretty if you just wanted to do regular silver. If you wanted to do a red, I think that'd be fun too, because there are a lot of pops of red in the art. And I think that that would be really nice against these darker colors. But if it was me, I'm probably going to do a mock spread using this kit. I'd probably use that dark green because that dark green is very unique. And I feel like it's going to match a lot of things that you don't think it'll match. And I think the dark green with this is going to be really pretty. It's going to just give out a very luxe, like not luxe like bougie, but luxe like it just looks rich kind of vibe. And I love that for this. But I think you could also use gold too, or gold hollow. There's a lot of options. So full boxes here, you have a lot of the different characters. You have the Wakanda scene. Nick kind of gave me explanations of everything, but do I remember? No. I'm just not a Marvel person. But I actually have watched a couple of minutes of the second one. We were on like the cruise and they were playing it in the theater. We watched a couple of minutes of it and it looked interesting. It was the part with he's on the extra, the like bad guy, the like water dude. So you have the deco page here again. Some of this deco actually isn't in the kit. And then you do have the half boxes. So I did do this with Wednesday too. If you put these together, they could be a full box, or you could just plop them down anywhere. You could plop them down, get fancy in like a little flippy box with maybe like a box on top of it. Oh, so cute. But I just loved these two extra scenes and I didn't have boxes to put them in. Oh yeah, this is the bad guy. Nick told me he's the bad guy. And then you have another character there. Again, really pretty colors. You have like blue tones, but also gray. Oh, it's just so nice with the green. So pretty. You have Black Panther there. So that is the ultimate kit. Depending on how this does, we might do more like superhero ones in the future. I know I for sure want to do a DC character because I feel like they don't get as much love in the planner community. So I know that's like next on my list, but then if that sells well too, then we'll do more of those as well. So we have the Doodle add-on, the functional add-on, the ombre, where are you? The label 2, which is the green, which I just think that green foil bundle is going to be so good with this. And then you have the extra boxes if you want to add it on. There was just lots of options there. So that is everything for this week. I am so excited. I feel like y'all have been pumped on these exclusive arts, and I am so excited about it. But y'all don't even know. Y'all didn't even know. Like, it's just like they're going to keep coming and coming and coming and coming because I just am ready for all of the art this year. I think this is going to be the year of the art, the year of the foil, the year of the everything. I placed another, all my doodles and my characters are exclusive and custom. So not all of my doodles, but like some of them are. But my characters and my scribblers are custom and exclusive. And I placed a huge order for more of those because y'all have been loving them. But y'all, that's everything for this week. I'm just about to go film the mystery kit reveal. If you're watching this the day of that this goes up, I think I'll be printing labels for this, or maybe I printed them yesterday. I don't remember, for mystery, but that'll go up on Wednesday. So that is everything for this week. Hope y'all like this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.